Hello my dear friends and my dear students, myself Dr. G.P. Tripathi. Today I am going to tell you about sexual perversion part 2. I have already covered part 1 of sexual perversion and uploaded my video. You can refer to my channel. Okay, I am going to start my lecture. Sexual perversion. As you all know, sexual perversion, they are also called as sexual paraphilia or sexual deviation. Okay, what is happening here? The sexual perversions are persistently indulge sexual act of fantasies in which the complete satisfaction is sought or obtained without the sexual intercourse. In sexual perversion, sexual intercourse is not must. Okay, here the person gets sexual gratification or he indulge in sexual activities and fantasies where he gets complete satisfaction only by seeing, okay, or by involving certain activities without doing sexual intercourse. In today's lecture, I am going to tell you about these types of sexual perversion. What are those? Fetishism, transvestism, exhibitionism, voyeurism, sexual oralism, uranism and frotteurism. So, I am going to take one by one each sexual perversion. Fetishism. Okay, so fetishism, it is a sexual perversion in which the sexual gratification is obtained with the contact and sight of certain parts of female body or the object like clothing, underclothing or other articles known as fetish object. What is happening here? And here the person gets sexual gratification, he obtains sexual gratification by contact with the certain parts of female body. What happens? The persons try to touch the female part of any female body. Okay, also he gets sexual gratified by touching the female objects like clothing or articles belonging to that female. Okay, these types of articles are fetish objects. Okay, in this the person experiences sexual excitement from the part of body of the woman or some article belonging to her. So, this is a fetishism. Another types of sexual perversion is a transvestism. It is also called as eonism. Okay, trans means opposite, vesta means clothing. As the name suggests, here the persons gets sexual gratification by wearing the clothes of opposite sex. Okay, the obtaining of sexual pleasure in wearing of garment of opposite sex is known as transvestism or eonism. Okay, this is a perversion in which the transvestite means the person who does such types of activities called as transvestite. The personality is dominated by the desire to identify it with the opposite sex. What is happening here? The person wants to look like an opposite sex. Okay, his personality has been changed. That's why he always try to look like an opposite sex. Transsexualities. This is another term where the person who have an obsession desire to become a member of opposite sex and sex surgery for anatomical alteration. Here in the person, they become very obsessed to become a member of opposite sex. Most of the time they are very much obsessive that they can go for surgery to become a member of opposite sex. If they are male, they are trying to becoming a female, and female wants to become a male, and they go for surgical alteration in their body. Exhibitionism, sexual perversion in which the sexual gratification is obtained by exhibition of genitals in the presence of women, young girls or in the public. Exhibitionists are usually male, but occasionally the women can expose themselves in the public. As the name suggests, what the person do here, person gets sexual gratification, he obtains sexual gratification by putting his or her body in exhibition forms. He exposed his or her private parts in the public or in front of girl or in front of woman. Okay. Why he is doing that? The pervert adopt this method of attracting attention to himself to experience sexual gratification at the time of exhibition without physical contacts. What is happening here? He do not wants to get physically contact with the opposite sex. What he is doing only for getting sexual gratification, or most of the time the person do these types of activities for getting attention. Okay, he has a punishment in the provision under section 294 IPC with imprisonment of 3 months with or without fine. If the person do such types of activities, he can punished under section 294. Another type of sexual perversion is voyeurism. It is also known as scroptophilia or peeping Tom. What is voyeurism? Voyeurism is a sexual perversion in which the accused is watching the victim's body or genitals during undressing or when she is naked. In the process of undressing, or often he get engaged in sexual activities, but usually not in a public. What is voyeurism? Whenever any persons watch anyone at the time of undressing or at the time of naked condition, this condition is called as voyeurism. He is the person who is sexually perverted. He feels sexual gratification by watching any opposite sex, especially female, at the time of undressing. Okay. Most often the victim is a stranger. Masturbation at the scene or later to the memories of watching the unsuspecting stranger is normally the source of sexual pleasure. Here the person gets sexual pleasure by going to the memory of that circumstances. Okay, the main victim will be a strangers. Okay, often they after the time of peeping, they will do masturbation or get involved, they do sexual activities. Okay, here also the punishment is there under section IPC 354 C1 C. Okay, here the punishment is given up to 1 to 7 years with fine. Sexual oralism. Sexual oralism, obtaining sexual pleasure from application of mouth to the sexual organs. It is seen both in heterosexual and homosexual. It is also called buccal coition. I have told you about the buccal coition. I have already prepared, uploaded the lecture of buccal coition. Okay, buccal intercourse in my YouTube channel. You can refer it. Okay, this buccal coition is included in sexual perversion also. That's why I am explaining here. Okay, what is happening in the sexual oralism? Here the person gets sexual pleasure by application of mouth to the sexual organs. Okay, it includes 3 conditions: fellatio, cunnilingus and anilingus. Fellatio. Fellatio is also called as blow job or illumination. It is a stimulation of penis by the partner's mouth. Okay, stimulation of penis is here. It is called as fellatio. Cunnilingus, it is also known as mouth job. Okay, is a kissing, licking and sucking of the female genital by the partner. Okay, it is known as cunnilingus. Another word is a anilingus. It is also called as rimming. The anilingus is a kissing, licking and sucking of anus by the sexual partner. These are all different types of sexual oralism. There is another word which is known as uranism. Most of the time uranism is very much similar to that of sexual oralism, because the almost explanation is same, but the term is different. That's why I am explaining here. This is a general term given to the perversion of sexual instinct, which includes sexual gratification by fingering, fondling, licking, shucking of genitals of opposite sex. As I have told you, anilingus, fellatio and cunnilingus are the examples of these types of sexual perversion known as uranism. Frotteurism. Frotteurism, okay, frotteurism means toucherism. Okay, it is type of sexual perversion in which the person do contact, or you can say person do touching with the another person in order to obtain sexual gratification, sexual satisfaction. Here the person tries to touch the body of opposite sex for obtaining sexual satisfaction. Okay, sexual satisfaction is obtained by rubbing his private part against the female buttocks, thighs, breast, genital areas in the crowd. Most of the time, the few persons who is suffering from these types of sexual perversion, they try to touch, okay, in the public place, they try to touch the body of opposite sex, especially with the female. Okay, they try to touch the female part, their body parts like buttocks, thighs and breast, and they, at the time of that, they feel sexually gratified and they feel sort of satisfaction sexually. Okay, and these types of victim, these types of that accused get punished by IPC under section 290, okay, with fine. This is a frotteurism. So my dear friends and my dear students, today I have covered sexual perversion part 2. In this topic we have covered fetishism, where the person feels sexually gratified by doing contact or by seeing the female. Okay, another perversion what I covered is transvestism. Transvestism means wearing of opposite sex clothing is known as transvestism. Exhibitionism, where the person exposes his or her genital in front of public or opposite sex. Voyeurism is also called as peeping tom. Scriptophilia, where the person watch the female body at the time of undressing or at the time of naked condition. Sexual oralism, which is also called as buccal coition, under which I have told you about the fellatio, cunnilingus, anilingus. Uranism is something similar to that, sexual oralism. Okay, frotteurism. Frotteurism means sexual perversion in which the person feel sexually gratified by touching the body of opposite sex. This was all about today's topic. So today's topic is over. So my dear friends, take care and stay happy and healthy.